Warning. The following informational video is intended for dent repair technicians. If you are not the intended audience for such a video, be aware that the verbiage is meant for those with a working knowledge of the trade. Thank you.
All right, so I want to talk today about this guy right here, the Crown Jewel. I've been using this thing for several years now, and you can see the wear and tear on it. And man, this thing is for really subtle crown work. When doing repairs, we don't want to see where we knock down most of the time. We want to see subtle movement. This thing is a beaut. Now, Todd from Carbon Tech, who makes these hammers now, was like, "Hey dude, you use the Crown Jewel a lot, right?" I'm like, "Yeah, like almost every day." And he's like, "Well, do you have the weights on it?" And I'm like, "The weights? What? I didn't even know." So he sent me some, and he sent me a new one. I have the long boy, and he sent me the short boy. All right. And the cool thing is he sent me the weights, and they can be interchangeable on both. So I'm gonna show you really quick, real time. All you do is you back this guy out, that guy falls. I back this guy out, that guy falls through. Now the cool thing is, so they're interchangeable, so I can put them in this guy. And the crazy thing is, with the weights inside this, it's heavier than this hammer, which is longer and has more material. And it adds just a little more oomph to the hammer, to where it gives you a little bit more, if you need, sometimes you just need a little more oomph in it. And so yeah, that's what I put it in there, and then I just screw that guy down tight, and he's good to go. There's no rattle or anything. Put this guy in there and just screw it down. And now I've got a heavier hit with a soft blow. And honestly, this thing is perfect. I use it every day, especially like if you're working on like Suburbans or Subarus or Tahoes, like those soft metal Hondas, and you got crown work. This thing lays that metal down beautifully. I can't recommend it enough. So I've got a video I'm going to show you guys right after this that shows like how great it moves metal, and a great scenario for it. So check it out.
Ten days.